The Larson Electronics battery-powered LED light tower is designed for use in construction sites, military bases, infrastructure projects, outdoor events, and other remote locations without adequate access to grid power. This unit features four 60-watt LED lamps for 360-degree illumination. The battery pack provides up to 16 hours of continuous operation per charge. This light tower produces a long flood beam of light with a color temperature rating of 5600 K for a combined total of 21,600 lumens. The light assembly consists of 6 LEDs paired with high-purity specular optics to produce a wide light distribution. The housing is waterproof aluminum that is powder-coated for added durability and resistance to corrosion. The LED lamp assembly is protected by a shatterproof polycarbonate lens. This LED light tower is supported by a pull-around cart. The tower can be adjusted from 9 to 13 feet in height for maximum coverage. A single hand crank allows operators to easily raise or lower the tower as needed. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.